Look at this games and tournament set. Team ABCD are contesting for a football match in which every team plays one match with every other team. A won. So exactly five teams are there. That means every team will play four matches. And I can see A won two matches, lost one, draw one. So A's four matches are done. B already had only had played two matches. C has played three matches. D had played three matches. E had played two matches. So now all matches, every team already has played with A. B is yet to play with C. So BC match left. As soon as BC match is left, now we are sure about C also. Now E won against C. So EC match is already done. EA match is already done. So that means for E2 matches left, one is ED, another is EB. So three matches left for which we have got which are the teams to play. BC match left, ED match left, EB match left. ED left and EB left. For win, there are 2 points. For loss, 0 point. For draw, 1 point. Fair enough. So I can actually calculate his total point. 4 points here, 0 point here, 1 point here. So A already got 5 points. B already got 1 point. C already got how many? Achha, points inside bracket. C already got 3 points. Now 4 points here, 1 point here, 5 points. D got 2 points. E already got 1 point. Look at the problems. First problem. E's remaining matches are with, we have calculated. E's remaining matches are with B and B. A has drawn match against whom? A's draw is with whom? A won 2 matches, lost 1, draw 1. BC match is done. C won 2 matches. BC match is yet to be played. Achha, ED match done. ED yet to be played. E lost 1 match, draw 1 match. So I can see 4 wins and 4 losses. So A did not win against C. One thing for sure. Because C did not lose any match yet. C played 3 matches. Achha, B, C match left, EB match left. So B already played against A and C. One is lost, one is drawn. D played against A, B, and C. E already played against C already played against A, D, and E. A played against all. E already played against A and C. So either E lost against A, draw against C, or lost against C, draw against A. We are not very sure. If I assume E, I'm taking an assumption. E lost against A and draw against C. So C's draw is with E. C's draw is with E. That means C's win is against A and D. D's loss against C. A's lost against C. A won 2 matches, lost against C. So whom A can defeat? Acha, one of the win of A is against E. So C only one match lost, D only one match lost against C. So AD must be a draw. One draw against A. E lost against A, draw against C. D played with A, B, and C, lost against C. So draw against A and B. C, AD win, E draw, no loss yet. A, B, draw against D. Okay, wait. Now there comes a contradiction. Sorry, B did not play with D, A, and D. B played with A and D, and D draw with B. So this is the draw here, and B lost against A. So A won against B. Is there any problem? Yes, there is. C won against E is not being satisfied. There is a contradiction. That means our first assumption was incorrect, that E lost against A. That means E is drawn against A. Option D. Next. Maximum minimum possible score after all matches are played. So already I can see highest score is 5. A cannot have many more scores. C 5 already. C can at max go to 7 if C is winning against B. So highest point can be 7. Lowest is already for B 1 point. And if C is again winning against B, and B is definitely losing against C, and B another match left against whom? E. Loss. Let us assume that as loss. So B will remain in 1 point. So maximum 0.7, minimum 0.1. D has already drawn with whom? Acha. I need to do this correction. So what we have got already, E's draw is against A. E's draw is against A. So A's draw is against E. E's, sorry, I wrote it in wrong place. Draw against A. Loss against C. A's draw against D. So C's win against D. Now D has drawn 2 matches that cannot be with A. D played with A, B, and C, so must be B and C. Option E. Next, A has lost only match 2. A has lost only match with whom? Acha. C won 2 matches, played with A, D, and E, lost none of them. And A's draw is with E. A cannot win against C, so that means A lost against C. Option D. Answer C. Next. If E wins the remaining 2 matches, means against B and D, which 3 qualify for next round? So B and D win, so 2 more win, point becoming 5. So E will qualify, C will qualify, A will qualify. Option A.